Godrej Consumer yesterday announced the acquisition of an Indonesian company called Megasari Makmur Group. Basically, Megasari is an FMCG company based in Indonesia, which is engaged into segments like household care, mainly businesses like insecticides, wet tissues, air fresheners, certain auto polishes, baby care products, etc. The company is mainly based in Indonesia and has 6 factories. Godrej has acquired this company basically to get a hold into the Indonesian market and expand the insecticides business which it had acquired through Godrej Sarali globally. Now, Megasari actually has big brands in Indonesia called Hit, there's Stella, there's Me Too, and Simba. Hit is obviously the biggest brand for Megasari. We believe this acquisition will basically give Godrej an access to the Indonesian markets and also enable it to expand Hit globally. We note that Hit obviously is available in the Indian markets for Godrej through the Sarali acquisition. The deal size is not being disclosed, but we believe, according to media reports, Megasari has a turnover of about rupees 550 crores. Hence, roughly these acquisitions happen at about 2 times EV to sales. So we believe the acquisition size could be anything between 1,000 to 1,200 crores. We believe this will help Godrej to expand further into Indonesian market and also falls into its own strategy of expanding inorganically into African markets. We note that Godrej earlier had outlined that they have taken board approvals of about 3,000 crores to fund inorganic acquisitions. So we believe the funding for this acquisition will come from part debt as well as part equity. Again, while the deal size is not known, so we have not factored the same into our numbers. But we believe it is a sentiment positive and it should add to the top line of the company significantly. And noting the past track record of Godrej, most of the deals that Godrej has undertaken have been EPS accretive from day one. So we await further clarity. The con call is today, hence we have not factored into the details into our numbers. But we retain buy on Godrej, and our target price is about rupees 310, though it will be revised post con call with the management today.